In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to your Bluehost account step by step, so you can add website files quickly and manage them directly from your hosting dashboard. This is a super useful process if you want to upload images, HTML files, backups, or other website assets without getting stuck. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the left-hand menu and click on Hosting. This is where Bluehost keeps the tools connected to your website files and server settings. After that, find the website you want to work on and click File Manager. The File Manager is the area where you can view, upload, organize and manage the files connected to your site. Now you'll want to open the public_HTML folder. This folder is very important because it is usually where the main files for your website are stored. If you're uploading files for your live website, this is typically the place you need. Once you're inside public_HTML, look at the top of the File Manager and click Upload. This opens the Upload tool and lets you send files from your computer directly into your Bluehost hosting space. Next, click Select Files. A window will appear so you can browse your computer and choose the file you want to upload. Select the file you need, whether it's an image, document, HTML file, or another website asset. After selecting the file, Bluehost will begin uploading it automatically. Just wait for the upload process to finish. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear inside public_HTML. At this point, your file has been added to your Bluehost account and is ready to be used on your website. If you need to upload more files, you can repeat the same process for each one. And if you're working with website pages or assets, always make sure you're placing them in the correct folder so your site can find them properly. That's it. You've now learned how to upload files to your Bluehost account using File Manager. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Bluehost and website management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.